Hello everyone, this is Jetal from Housey and I'm super excited to reveal the teaser of codename Soulcrest, which is located off Hennur Main Road in North Bangalore, and this project is developed by Bricks and Milestone Projects LLP. And in this teaser we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now we are at the actual land parcel, and this is the marketing office of the project. And now about the land parcel where the construction work will happen very soon. So the construction site is just behind the marketing office. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So the project is spread across 9.3 acres of land parcel, consisting of 6 towers in all, with each tower of basement, ground plus 33 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK with different variants, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location and connectivity of the project. So let me tell you that the project is located off Hennur Main Road in North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So this road over here will connect you towards Hennur Main Road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. You can connect Sparsh Hospital in Hennur in just 10 minutes. Horamau Metro Station is 15 minutes away. Bhartiya Mall of Bangalore is 20 minutes. Even you can connect Manyata Tech Park in 20 minutes. RMZ Galleria Mall is 25 minutes. And Kampegoda International Airport is 40 minutes away from the location. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and the project provides you luxurious amenities with 91% of open space in this project. So the amenities like grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, banquet hall, multi-purpose court and many more amenities. Coming to the super built-up area, so as mentioned, this project offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK with different variants, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Your 2 BHK starts from 1300 square feet to 1400 square feet. 3 BHK 2T starts from 1500 square feet to 1600 square feet. 3 BHK 3T starts from 1700 square feet to 1800 square feet. 3.5 BHK starts from 1900 to 2000 square feet, and 4 BHK starts from 2000 square feet and goes up to 2400 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project is in pre-launch stage, but our EOI window is open now, that is expression of interest. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI by submitting the bankable EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of codename Soulcrest, which is located off Hennur, North Bangalore, a project developed by Bricks and Milestone Projects LLP.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.